Okay, hello everyone. So today we got a Les Paul coming in for pro setup. The strings will be 1260 Diadario XL strings, two pickup swap, then four ESP ports, one switch, three-way switch, and one output jack together with copper shielding. The bridge itself, I need to regroove it to accept the bigger, larger strings. During the setup work, this guitar is being set up to standard B. There might be additional work for the first to the fifth fret for fret leveling. What happens is that the second and third strings up to the third fret, it starts to buzzing, to sound like it's buzzing a lot. So I actually raised the action a bit more to clear out the notes. So this guitar actually can go a bit lower, but I see if the customer wants that. If not, then I just proceed with this. Apart from that, I see you at the end of the video. Take care. Okay, hello bro. So guitar is done. There's a few issues that I think you should consider lah. So number one is I already strung the guitar pro setup. This will be in standard B tuning. And then after that, the bridge, I regroove the thing so it stays input now. So as you can see, everything is okay now. Then after that, electronics copper shielding, 2 orange drop, ESP knobs, then switchcraft output jack. Sounds okay. These two pickups are new. This from Shopee. So is clearance test. Okay, a little bit about the fretboard. Previous setting is a bit lower, but when I put on these strings, then on the third string and second string there will be buzzing. Right now I clear the buzzing already, so it's slightly a bit higher, but down here to down here is okay. Is pretty much the same as previous setting. It's only that from here the first to the 12th fret maybe slightly a bit higher. It's not so noticeable, but I think it's okay. Then for the nut adjustment I don't think need to do, because it feels a bit comfortable with this string. Plus the buzzing actually occurs from the first to the 3rd fret. If you can hear the thing later, is up to the 5th fret, but I already cleared the notes. It feels a bit higher here, but at least the notes doesn't buzz. If you want lower, then need to fret level. If for fret level, as usual, the highest point that it will buzz is actually on this fret. So this fret, I already checked with the fret rocker, is highest. It will rock on this fret, but even if you do this fret, sometimes it will affect the other frets. So most likely, high likely that you need to fret level from here up to here. Okay. Yeah, so I suggest you try first, see if you want it to go lower. If you need to go lower, then of course you need to fret level. If not, the guitar is okay. Let me know if you want to pick up. Okay, bye. Okay, so we got a big baby Taylor coming up next. Don't forget to subscribe and follow if you want to know what I'm up to next. So anyways, if you do any pro setup, you can, after you do the pro setup, I will give you one of these. This is 3D printed. There is a cable holder like that. So I put it side by side because sometimes I want to drill stuff, then I want to put my cables so it doesn't go all over the place. You can use for cable holder, or you can use specifically for guitar jacks, so it doesn't lay all over the floor. So if you want to do a pro setup, you will get one of these for free. Okay, bye. Okay, if you're interested to send in your guitar or bass, do let me know. You can WhatsApp me on 84189951. I hope to see you soon. Bye.